Hello, my friend. Hopefully you are doing great. So in this video session, I'm going to show you how to make a global wait from the text configuration file. So what is the problem that we are trying to solve? The problem that we are trying to solve that, as you already know, we have a wait time screen display, and we call wait for display API from WebdriverIO, and we supply an option with property timeout at 5 seconds to wait until the email text field to display. So, for example, in another place, and you want to have something like timeout and 5 seconds again. So that means you are duplicating your work somehow. And thanks to WebdriverIO in the text configuration file, we can make something like a global wait time value, and you can use across your project. Let's try to do it. So you go back to your text configuration file here, and probably you can put after the marker option, but you can put anywhere, okay? So in this case, I'm going to put it after the marker option here with the property that wait for timeout. Wait for timeout. And I put the property at 5,000. That means 5 seconds. Wait for timeout. That means every single wait for APIs that I'm going to use in my project, the maximum timeout will be 5 seconds, regardless wait for existing, wait for display, anything with the prefix wait for, with the maximum will be 5 seconds. That means now I can suppress this option from here. That means I just call wait for display, and the maximum time to wait for the element to display on the screen now will be 5 seconds, right? So how can we track this one? Let's try to increase around 10 seconds, for example, right? And I'm going to do something what? I'm going to do make this selector value is wrong, something like input email ABC, like that, and it is absolutely wrong selector value. That means we expect it will keep finding the element around 15 seconds, right? So let's say, because I'm using the logging with method training pay object, so we still have this here in the TK04 logging with method training. And if you didn't do anything change, so the text configuration file in the space erase here, we still have that test script. So we just need to start the RPM server and connect our device here. And finally, we run the test. Let me open the Visor application, and then you can see the screen from the device connected. Okay, let's run it. npm test configuration file test. Now, if you keep searching, you see it keeps searching the wrong email text field. Let's say it's not 50 seconds. Let me see what happened. Still not display after 5 milliseconds. Oh, why is 5 milliseconds? Let me see. Wait screen display here, and we call wait screen display, and we wait for display here, and in the text configuration file here, we have wait for timeout. That is 10 seconds, right? Let's see why that happened. Let's go back to our test script. Login with method training, login page, and login page wait screen display. Nothing wrong, but why is still waiting for? You see, this is a wrong selector and it's not display after 5 seconds. I will wait for it 10 seconds. Wait for timeout. Okay, let's go back to the test runner configuration here. This is wait for timeout. Oh, what is that? This is wait for timeout. Oh, I see. So the wait for timeout here is we have typo. You see, it should be wait for timeout. It's not because I got a uppercase for the F letter, so that's why. So you can go back to here in the WebdriverIO document page here, and you come to test runner configuration, and you search for wait for timeout option here. That means the default timeout for all wait for commands API. Okay, and now we run it again properly. This time we will see it wait till 10 seconds. I'm not sure why they put something wait for with the F, the letter F like it. Okay, now it's the you will be keep searching for the wrong email text field. Now you see it is 10 seconds. So you can see if you don't specify anything, the default will be 5 seconds. But if you want something longer than that on the wait for command, you can specify in the text configuration with the wait for timeout, and you can increase. Now you can use across your project. Anywhere you use something like wait for display right now, you don't need to specify the timeout option anymore. So it's very easy. Try to practice yourself and see you in the next video lesson.